Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix audio problem in BandLab so your tracks sound clean, balanced and professional. Step 1 is check your recording. Start by making sure your mic or instrument is working correctly. Avoid clipping, background noise or interference. If necessary, record any problematic parts. After that, adjust the volume and balance. Use the volume slider on each track to balance your mix. Make sure no tracks are too loud or too quiet. Pan instruments left or right to give your mix more space. Step 3 is use FX for cleaning. Select the clip and you will see the FX button. Click on the FX button. Here you will see the effect panel. Noise reduction removes his EQ, balances frequency and compression, keeps your audio levels even. Now step 4 is to fix pitch and timing. If vocals are off key, use auto pitch. You can use the auto pitch from here and adjust the setting intensity of the sound. If vocals are off key, use auto pitch. For timing issues, use the editing tools to move clips and align them with the beat. And that's it. By adjusting the volume, applying effects and fixing pitch/timing, your BandLab audio will sound professional. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more BandLab tips, and I'll see you in the next one.